Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The Battle of Panipat 1761 resulted in the defeat of the Marathas or the Ahmad Shah Abdali or the East India Company or whether it is Nadir Shah. So here we try to not only give you the answer but also uh, give a small description about it. So let's get into the solution. The third battle of Panipat at 14th January 1761 between the Durrani Empire of Ahmed Shah Abdali, Durrani Empire of Ahmed Shah Abdali of Afghanistan, Afghanistan with the help of the Rohilla Afghans of the Rohilla Afghans of the Doab and Suja'uddullah of Oudh against the Maratha Empire led by Srimant against the Maratha Empire led by Srimant Sadasiv Rao Bhau. Resulting with a decisive Afghan victory, resulting with decisive Afghan victory and killing nearly 28,000 soldiers. The Marathas sustained the conclusive defeat. Marathas sustained the conclusive defeat. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option 1. So we have successfully answered this question and try to give you a small description about it. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.